In today's video, I'll teach you how to connect a flowchart in Microsoft Word using the drawing canvas. If you're creating process diagrams, decision trees, or workflow charts, the drawing canvas is a helpful feature because it keeps all your shapes and connectors organized in one place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to insert a drawing canvas, add flowchart shapes, and connect them properly using connectors. To begin, open Microsoft Word and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. From there, click Shapes. When the Shapes menu appears, scroll down to the bottom and select New Drawing Canvas. A blank drawing canvas will appear in your document. You can resize it by dragging the corners if you need more space. The drawing canvas works like a container that holds all the shapes and lines for your flowchart, making it easier to manage and move them together. Next, we'll add the flowchart shapes. Click anywhere inside the drawing canvas to make sure it is active. Then, go back to the Insert tab and click Shapes again. In the Shapes drop-down, you will see a section labeled Flowchart. Here, you can choose different types of flowchart symbols, such as Process, Decision, Input-Output, or Start and End. Select the shape you want, then click and drag inside the drawing canvas to draw it. You can repeat this process to add several shapes that represent the steps in your workflow. To add text inside a shape, simply click the shape and start typing. Now let's connect the shapes to create the flow of your diagram. Go again to Insert, then Shapes, and this time look under the Lines section. Choose a connector line, such as a straight connector arrow or an elbow connector. Move your mouse over the first shape until you see small connection points appear around it. Click one of those points, then drag the connector line toward the next shape. When you release the mouse on the second shape, the line will snap into place and attach itself to the shape. The advantage of using connectors is that they stay attached even if you move the shapes later. If you reposition a shape, the connector line automatically adjusts to maintain the connection. Finally, you can improve the appearance of your flowchart by selecting shapes and using the Shape Format tools. You can change the color, outline, or effects of the shapes, and use alignment tools to keep everything evenly spaced. Because everything is inside the drawing canvas, you can also move the entire flowchart simply by dragging the canvas itself. And that's how you connect a flowchart using the drawing canvas in Microsoft Word. With these simple steps, you can create clear and organized diagrams for presentations, documents, or reports. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.